Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix TikTok live option not showing on your iPhone. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. So first of all guys, let me show you here when you tap on plus icon and you can see here live option, but you can see here guys it's not showing for me. If live option is not showing for you guys, then what you need to do is just simply have to close this page. Now first of all guys, what you need to do is just simply have to open App Store, Play Store, and there you have to search for the TikTok app. Now after that guys, make sure that you have an updated version of the app. If you don't have, just simply have to update the app. Once you have done this guys, just simply have to open TikTok again. Now tap on your profile. Let me show you here guys, you have to meet the criteria. So you have to minimum 1k followers, and after that you can easily get live option. And if you have 1k followers and still it's not working for you guys, then what you need to do is just simply have to tap on three dots. After that you have to tap on settings and privacy. Now wait some second and just simply you have to go to report a problem. So from here guys, what you need to do is just simply have to search for can't find live option, can't find any live on TikTok, so you have to tap on that. So let me tell you that you have to tap on no, or tap on need more help. Let me tell you that you have to write this one, so I have already copied and given in the description as well. So let me tell you that you have to take the screenshot of your profile, so you have to write this one. And after that guys, what you need to do is just simply have to submit your request to the TikTok team, and after that hopefully your problem will be fixed. So that's pretty much for today's video. If there is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.